fill up this reservoir with the brake fluid that I need. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be pushing this, right? Pushing this a couple times. And then this is the bleeder bolt, right? So when I push it a couple times, then I'm going to be holding this down. And while I'm holding it down, after 3 times, then I open this. I let the air out. And then I close it back again. So I'm putting .4 Castrol brake fluid. Fill up this reservoir right here. Just for now, we're gonna put this cap on it because this fluid, it absorbs moisture and water gets in the line. Okay, so there's my setup. Now all I have to do is bleed some more. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and now we're gonna hold it on the 4th one. Damn. You can see the pressure build up. I'm sure the air got out. Okay. So now that it's tight, I can leave this side. So here's another view of what's going on. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm holding this down, opening this right here. Tightening this, and I'll let this go. So just keep doing that until you have no air in your lines, air in this whole system. I think mine's fine. Also, I put a piece of cloth. I don't know what this is, but anyways, I put it in between so I can tell the difference, and I want to like keep this whole area dry so I can tell if this is leaking or not. I already got it wet, so it's a little difficult, but so far, like looking around and everything, it looks fine. It looks good. If I see anything seeping through, then I know that there is an issue, maybe with the washers, but if you have new washers, then you know it's not the washer. There could be an issue with the washer. It can be an issue with the new line you got. You can check those. Maybe it's something to do with the bolt. I don't know. If it's leaking, you know that. Or maybe you don't even have it tight enough. So maybe you could tighten it a little bit more, and you can see if that fixes the issue. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it helps you guys. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.